Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today. Starting the month of June 1st, Thursday, we are going to review first the economic data because we got ADP employment way higher than expected, but jobless claims came as expected mostly. Initial jobless claims 232, we were expecting 235, and continuing 1795, we were expecting 18. Basically, this has still shows signs that employment is tight. Labor market is strong. So we would have to just find signs of weakness anywhere else. For example, manufacturing PMI came as expected, but employment came higher. New orders came way lower, and prices came super lower. And I think these manufacturing prices is the one that is the reason why the overall market, all the markets, a lot of stocks, and also tech, S&P, small caps, our banking sector are squeezing super high today. So basically, I was waiting for this kind of resolution on this trend, but oh boy, when Nasdaq starts pushing, I had two targets right here. On the 30-minute chart, I had this pivot, this close on the 30-minute chart from yesterday, and this close from Tuesday. And well, I could also, well, this is overnight. I like to try these highs in overnight because they usually get retested. So basically, this was the first stop, my first target, and this was the second target. And I just reached that with only one contract. That's the sad part, because I basically took this break around here, this second bottom establishing higher low into the ABCD push. I let it ride, and I was quite surprised because basically price action is just going parabolic, not only in the Nasdaq but also in the S&Ps. Look at this. I call this the slow grind of death, because shorts keep trying to short the top on these red candles, but they get pushed up. Try to short, get pushed up. They pushed up and they pushed up. 3 red candles, oh, there it is, short, and they get squeezed up again and again and again. And honestly, this is just a trap for beginner shorts, because I am bearish, but there's no way I'm short in today's market, because it already provided in a choppy way, but it already provided this structure to the upside. So what are you doing when we have room for repair in these two main targets? I mean, if you were short, hopefully you were managing your risk and it didn't hurt you that bad. But I mean, this structure was really nice. I just got, I didn't calculate that, but I sold, I think it was around 445. So around 140 points. That's almost 3,000, 1%. And I was waiting for signs of rejection like this one, but oh boy, the EMA keep going, grinding higher and higher. And let me tell you, there will be a lot of people here, and probably at VWAP. So if you are trying to short this market, if you are trying to put yourself in front of this track on this huge train, be really careful, because Apple is super strong, Microsoft quite strong, Nvidia is pushing 4%. Actually, if we check the daily, look at this. We are trying to squeeze these shorts. I was expecting more pullback to the downside. If you check yesterday's video, I was expecting for this kind of move, but who knows? Nvidia is capable of everything. That's why I'm not touching Nvidia in any kind of asset. Not stock, not options, nothing. I'm not touching Nvidia. And Meta, with news of the new VR headset, well, it's up 2.28. Banking sector, as you can see, it's AgWest, CMA, 5% each, 3% overall for the regional bankings ETF. And mostly probably, sorry, small caps are risk on. We have technology sector, consumer discretionary, financials in the green. Energy is the only thing that is super high due to the EIA petroleum reserve being almost super low, and that initiated this move to the upside that changes not a lot of things, but I mean, this is a big day for crude oil. Again, US SPR, Strategic Petroleum Reserve, is at lows because it looks like US is not buying enough, is not buying anything, most probably because the debt ceiling issues and they need a lot of money to refill. So that's why prices skyrocketed, because US needs to buy, US needs to replenish. And if US is not doing this, well, a lot of people is taking advantage of that support, that bullish news that is that US needs to refill. What else? Gold. Gold is looking pretty squeezy. I was expecting this for the fib retracement. Let's see how it ends up today. Yields are in the red, so why is metals are in the green, and dollar is well, for now 105. My target needs to wait. This is a huge red candle, 0.633 in the red today, and yields are quite in the red today. So basically the market is telling you a message. This market is telling you, we are glad that the debt ceiling vote on the house passed through, but now I think markets are pricing in Senate vote going smoothly. Let's see if that happens. I think US is not going to default, so don't get me wrong. US is not going to default. Let me tell you, there's no way. But turmoil, issues, new deals, that might be rough, but I think the bill is going to get through the Senate also, and I think markets are quite happy with that. They are trying to do as much as possible of progress today on the vote. So I think markets liked that, and I really liked, let me just hide everything. I really like this kind of pullback and this bull flag with two red candles on the daily. This might resolve. 30 minutes is quite extended, but I would look for continuation tomorrow for this gap fill that we have on the Nasdaq around 14,000. Gap entry is 14,655, and gap fill is for 14,777. So that's my plan for this week. Let's see if Nasdaq continues strong. S&P is also super strong, already trying to push through this. If we do like this is also a stair stepping up, putting a nice lower high on the daily. Sorry, higher low on the daily. So this looks good for continuation and break of this critical level that is 42.44 on the S&P futures. So be really careful, because I'm really interested of seeing tomorrow the kind of open interest that futures show. Because if we show positive interest, open interest in both Nasdaq and S&Ps, and these are new money buying coming in, oh boy, I will be turning a little bit more bullish for this week, because it's already setting up There's no technicals that I can see that shows any rotation. Even defensive sectors like utilities and staples are in the red today. So everything is converging today for a nice squeeze up. So if you were long, congratulations. And that's all from my side. Thank you as always. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps like this one. If you are supporting the channel by subscribing, thanks a lot. It gives me hope of continue doing these kind of things, sharing with you my ideas, my methodology, my technical analysis, my fundamentals on a daily basis for you to be informed. And also, sorry about that, the squawk news. And also, I'm glad for you to be there watching my videos, because when you try to explain these kind of things to other people, I'm quite happy for you to really learn and to navigate these markets. Because when I was a beginner years ago, I was always watching videos on YouTube, and if I liked one YouTube video or one YouTube channel that helped me grow and progress in my day trading career, it was really appreciated. So I hope you find that way in this channel, and if you do, thanks a lot for watching. And remember that patience, discipline, risk management, all those skills need to be protected and developed. Those are key for your success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.